Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your ultimate hub for tech that actually makes life better. Today, we're looking at a portable projector that's designed for adventure, the BenQ GS50. If you've ever dreamed of movie nights under the stars or a big screen experience while camping, this one's for you. Let's start with the essentials. The BenQ GS50 projects in Full HD 1080p with support for HDR10, so whether you're streaming Netflix or gaming on your Switch, the image looks rich and vibrant. It delivers up to a 100-inch display at short throw distance, perfect for both indoor setups and outdoor walls or tents. This projector is purpose-built for portability. It's IPX2 rated for splash resistance and has drop resistance up to 2.3 feet, meaning it can handle a little adventure. It even comes with a custom carry case so you can take it anywhere: park, beach, backyard, or off-grid cabin. Audio is a major win here. Unlike most projectors with tinny speakers, the GS50 features 2.1-channel audio with dual 5W mid-range tweeters and a dedicated 10W woofer for extra bass. Whether you're watching an action film or streaming music, the sound fills the space. No Bluetooth speaker required, but you can still connect one if you want. Now for smarts. It runs Android TV natively, giving you built-in access to YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more. It also supports Google Cast and AirPlay, so you can stream directly from your phone or laptop with ease. It's packed with helpful touches like autofocus and auto vertical keystone correction, making setup effortless. And yes, it supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. Power-wise, it runs on AC but has a solid internal battery offering 2.5 hours of playback, just enough for a full movie. Ports: you've got USB-C, HDMI, and audio out. Plus, it comes with a built-in Android TV dongle that fits snugly into a hidden compartment. Super sleek. Bottom line, the BenQ GS50 is more than just a projector, it's a portable cinema built for life on the go. Whether you're camping, glamping, or transforming your backyard into a theater, this is one of the most well-rounded outdoor projectors of 2025. Check it out in the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your dream movie night location?